Introducing the Astound built-in electric fireplace that will elevate your home decor and transform your living space. With cutting-edge features and sleek design, this electric fireplace is a game-changer for any home or commercial space. The extra-large viewing area makes an impressive statement and elevates the fireplace experience to a whole new level. Plus, with a premium pattern featuring spark technology, the Astound mimics a real fire to provide a mesmerizing experience. This electric fireplace offers a selection of media and accessories so you can make it your own. Enjoy the included driftwood log set and woodland media kit for an authentic appearance. You can also opt for the optional mineral rock kit, birch logs, crystals, or glass beads, depending on your individual style. Or you can easily change it out with the seasons. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is the flip-down glass. You can easily change the media yourself, giving you the ability to swap out different styles to incorporate seasonal decor. Experience the ultimate in design flexibility by choosing between a sleek, frameless appearance or incorporating the included trim for a more classic framed look. With the Astound, there's even more customization available. With this electric fireplace, you can choose from 13 different colors for the ember bed and top light. Offering multiple control options at your fingertips, including a premium remote, optional wall mount controller, or Napoleon Home app, enjoy an effortless experience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, conveniently control your fireplace with your mobile device using the Napoleon Home app, or with your voice through Google or Alexa devices. Upgrade your fireplace experience today with this Astound built-in electric fireplace and enjoy the ultimate combination of style, comfort, and customization.